In this video, we will read HaMotzi Blessing, the blessing over bread. The word HaMotzi can be translated as he who brings forth. You may wonder, when should I recite HaMotzi? The blessing is recited before eating at least 1 ounce of bread. The blessing applies to any kind of bread that is made of any of the next 5 grains: wheat, barley, rye, oat, or spelt. A special requirement before HaMotzi is to wash the hands. You may fill a large cup with water, then pour it 3 times over the right hand and 3 times over the left. Leave the bread as the HaMotzi blessing is recited. Now let's focus on the Hebrew text. We will read each word 1 syllable at a time. Let's begin. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam hamotzi lechem min haaretz. This is the conclusion of the blessing. Thank you for joining me today. Toda rabah.